yourself. Maybe you've recently lost a loved one, or maybe you simply like living alone. Well, this lady was expecting someone to come by and help her with some handiwork, a handyman as they call them. And look what happened when this handyman showed up.
Yes, Dale, is that you?
Yes, it's me.
Come on in.
How you
Come
doing?
on in. Oh,
Look, lady. I don't want to hurt you. Give me your money. Give me your money. Ah! 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 Ah!
oh, me. Oh, that man. Oh, call the police. Call the police. Somebody call the police. Oh, please, please. Oh, me. Oh, me. Oh, me.
It's a good thing that she was prepared, that she had a defense mechanism, non-violent, non-lethal, but she remains safe. Safety and security, something that is so lacking in our world today, and something